Do you stay at home all day and watch YouTube videos? Is YouTube becoming a part of your daily lifestyle? What if I told you that you can earn money through YouTube? Don't believe me? Then you should watch this video. We will show you a very simple way on how you can earn money just by watching YouTube videos. You do not need to create your YouTube videos. You do not need any prior skills or experience. This method is 100% free. No need for any big investments, and it can be done by anyone from any part of the world easily. This method is super simple and easy to do. Just watch this video till the end to learn the step-by-step process of how you can make money just by watching YouTube videos. So what are you waiting for? Let's start earning. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. If you go to YouTube and search for motivational videos, you can see a lot of videos posted by people. You can see that these videos have tens of thousands or even millions of views. If you're wondering if you will be making YouTube videos just like this to earn money, the answer is no. We do not have to create a new motivational YouTube video. Watch this video till the end to find out. So the website that we will be using today is called UII.io. UII.io is a link shortening website that pays you money if people click the URL that you have shortened using this website. So how does it work? First, we have to create an account on this website. Once you do that, then you can log into the account and use the feature of this website, which is the URL shortening. And then you can share the shortened URL to other people and make money once they visit the URL. So why do we choose UII.io for shortening links? Here are a few reasons why. Fewer ads and higher payouts. 95% of the income earned on this website is used to pay the users. They have the highest rates of payment in Tier 2 and 3 countries, and multiple views from the same viewers are also counted. So if the same viewer clicks your link again, you can still earn money. They have a low minimum payout. Users are only required to earn at least $5 before they can cash out, and they pay all users via the preferred payment method. The payout rates are shown in the payout rates option in the upper section of the website. Here we can see how much money we can make depending on where that person lives. If the person that visits your link lives in the UK, Australia, Canada, or Switzerland, you can earn $6 for every visit. The list of countries goes on, and you can earn a minimum of $1 and a maximum of $6. So in just one click, you can immediately cash out your earnings since the minimum cash out is $5. So if at least 10 people from Australia click your link, you can immediately earn $60 in a day. Now, this is an easy way to earn money. If you are not convinced about how people earn money on this website, you can go to the Payments Proof option on the upper section of the website. And you can see tons and tons of people getting paid just by sharing their shortened links. You can see that they are paid either in PayPal or Pioneer. You can also see that there are 488 pages of proof of payments from other people. So you do not need to worry if this website is legit or not. What we are going to do today is to select 3 motivational videos from YouTube, shorten those video URL links through UII.io, and share it to other people on another website, which we will be sharing with you today. So don't stop watching this video to learn the full process of how to make money using YouTube. Before we can start shortening links, we first have to create an account. Creating an account on this website is free and easy to do. All you have to do is click the sign up free button right here and put your username, email address, and password. After you have done that, just check this box to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy and click register. Now the website prompts you that your account has already been created and now you can log in. Once you log in, you now see the dashboard. Now on the dashboard, you can see how much money you earned and how many people click your link. You can also refer your friends or other people to use this website and earn more money. Now once you have seen your dashboard, on the left side of it, you can see a new shorten link option. We just click on this and now we can start shortening URL links. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. So our game plan here is to select 3 motivational videos from YouTube. Why do we pick motivational videos instead of other videos? It is because these motivational videos are one of the most viewed videos on YouTube. We can see that these types of videos reach around millions and are still growing each day. So making people watch them will be a piece of cake. So now we select 3 videos. Just open them on another tab. Click on the share button below the video and we can just copy this URL link. Once we copy it, we then go back to uii.io and just paste the shortened link here. And now we can see the shortened link which is now ready to be shared. But before we share the link, we should first make a template for sharing it. We do not want to just copy and paste the link. We need to attract the people to click the link. In Google Docs, we just need to make a short template about how this video will make you motivated in your daily life. And at the end of the template, we put our shortened link there. We should make 3 short templates since we would be sharing 3 YouTube videos. For example, like this, just a short sentence of how you can do well in your daily life. It can be your job, your studies, or anything. And at the end of the template, we introduce them to the shortened link of the YouTube video to help them become more motivated. Once we completed all 3, we then save it as PDF and now we can continue to the next website. The next website we will be using to share these links is SlideShare. SlideShare is a website wherein people post tons of articles and other documents every day. Over 169 million people visit this website monthly. So making people click on your link on this website will be easy. Before we can use this website to share the links, we first need to create an account. To create an account, we just click on the sign up button right here and sign up with either your Facebook or your email account. After you have signed up and logged into your account, you can now upload the PDF files that you created earlier. Just click on the upload button right here and just upload the file. Now we just wait as people come across your PDF files and click the link. And just like that, you can now earn money. This is a super simple way on how you can earn money using YouTube. No need to create a new YouTube video. Just use the existing ones on YouTube. Shorten the links by using uii.io and share it to people. This super simple trick is not limited to motivational videos. It can be anything you want. But just make sure that that type of YouTube videos that you will be sharing are relatable to people so that your links will be easily visited and you can gain a lot of money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.